Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue related to GitHub no longer supporting password authentication. Let's get started by walking through the steps to resolve this. First, head over to your GitHub account and log in. Once you're logged in, click on your user profile in the top right corner. From there, select Settings. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Developer Settings. Next, you'll see an option for Personal Access Tokens. This is where we will create a new token for authentication. There are two types of tokens available: a fine-grained token, which is still in beta, or a classic token. For this tutorial, we will use the classic token. Go ahead and click on Classic Token and then select the option to generate a new one by clicking on Generate New Token. When generating the token, you can assign it any name that helps you identify its purpose. For instance, I'm going to call mine My Token. You'll also need to choose an expiration date for the token. While I'm setting mine to expire in 1 or 2 days for this demo, you can opt for 90 days or even no expiration if you'd prefer not to have it expire automatically. After that, it's time to choose the scope of the token. The scope determines what actions you can perform using this token. In my case, I'll select all the available scopes to ensure I can carry out any necessary tasks with this token. You can do the same by going through each option and selecting them one by one. Once you've selected the scopes, click on Generate Token. The token has now been created. Be sure to copy it immediately and save it somewhere secure like a password manager, because GitHub won't show it to you again after this. It's important to store it in a safe place as you'll need it in the next step. Now that we have the token, it's time to update the git command for authentication. Instead of using a password, you will use this token. I'm going to show you the command you'll need to copy. Next, you'll need your GitHub username and the name of your repository. You can easily grab both from your repository's URL. Once you have them, replace the placeholders in the command with your username and repository name. After that, go ahead and paste the updated command into your terminal and press Enter. Now, when you run the git push origin main command, it should work without any issues. You should see the files being successfully pushed to your repository with output indicating that the push was successful, and that's it. If you followed along, your issue should be resolved. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.